motion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Yes, sir. Rise and grind, good people. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, man. This video, we got an 08 CHRYSLER Sebring 2.4 4-cylinder. Gonna be replacing a crankshaft position sensor. And I'm gonna show you where it's located. Quick job, easy. Alright, first and foremost, you want to jack the vehicle up. Got to get up under it and show you the location. And that is the crankshaft position sensor right there behind the shield. This is like in the center of the motor and the transmission, right above the axle. Right there. Alright, we got it out. It's the old one. Alright, so we got an intermittent start. Sometimes it won't crank up. It'll just turn over like it wants to start, but it won't. And after you wait a few moments, after trying, it'll crank up eventually. It'll start running. So we got an intermittent start, and that code is showing on the check engine light. So, and that's that bolt 10 mil. And this is it with it out. So we got it in, started up. Check engine light on. We're gonna go ahead and erase that light. I changed the ignition coil, cylinder 1. Just changed the crankshaft position sensor. That's that code. We got a trans code. We gotta figure out what's going on with that, but that's for that crank position sensor. Erase the codes. Drive it 50 to 100 miles, and you should be ready to take the test and pass. Alright, that light is off. Let's see what pops up. Alright, nothing. That's a good sign. Alright, man, so y'all know what to do, man. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss these videos when I drop them, man. Y'all stay tuned. I got the March's giveaway coming up, so y'all stay tuned. Be blessed.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.